Hi everybody, I'm currently in Paris and I'm standing right here at the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, I just wanted to share you that I'm currently here and I will do the reading directly from the Eiffel Tower. I'm actually surprised to see how humongous it really is. I haven't realized how big it was. You couldn't actually see it like from very far, but I walked about 40 minutes now just to get to it. And yeah, um, today is a little bit cold, and yeah, I just wanted to share to you guys that being in Paris is such a wonderful experience for me. And for those who have been here in France already, but not near the Eiffel Tower, the next time when you visit, please, guys, please come and see this amazing Eiffel Tower that everybody's talking about. Yeah, so I'm going to walk around a little and see what is happening. As you can see, there are so many people just walking around. It is so beautiful here in Paris, the city of love. So, yeah, you can even see people there are taking selfies, photos, and so forth, just to show people that they are in Paris. So, guys, brothers and sisters, I want to share with you today my experience here in Paris. I was so excited to share this news with you. And yeah, currently it has just been like an ongoing experience. So I will go a little. Currently at the food court here. And as you can see, it's quite full. All kinds of food. Different types of soups. Bubble tea. Ooh, unbelievable. My favorite. Nougat. Wow. Mm.
That is for you. Or this is not how much. Make with honey.
Mm. Different types of cheeses. Just tasty. Mm. I've actually just tasted now a cheese. I think it tastes like blue cheese. Different types of jams. Ooh, all the candy in the world. I think this children will just go crazy here. All different types of sweets. It just goes on and on. And this is, I think this is a fruit. Fresh fruit that you can dip in chocolate. Macarons. popcorn, Nutella, waffles. Oh, crepes. So sweet. Different types of soaps and bathings. The smell of lavender here. All the different types of soap. One is 4 euros and three for 10 euro. Also something nice to give as a gift. It's just buzzing with people is unbelievable, right? The Christmas market here in Paris is absolutely beautiful. Such a big variety of everything. I think Father Christmas is gone on a break. I must actually just turn around nearer and then we